YouTube, what's up, what's happening? Here I'm bringing you another video. And just going to go over a quick tip today over just a quick little, I guess, process that you can use to liven up all your stencils. I mean, this is a really good thing to use with stencils. Basically, any of your designs, really, you could do this with. But we're going to talk about is layering, right? So, obviously, I have the heart and the lettering, you know, it looks good. But if you look in the back here, you know, you see these designs in the back. And then if you look at the heart actually has like this carbon fiber effect all going on through there. And so I'm just going to talk about a quick way to get that done and make it look good in a quick and easy fashion. So obviously, you know, you're going to set up your shirt or whatever. We're just going to use some paper towels for today. So, you know, you want to start off your design like you always do. Whatever design it is you decide to make. And what we're going to do is just lay the heart just like the design that we had. And again, this could be any stencil. You could have a character cut out or Batman symbol or whatever it is. Right? So that's your main design. And then you want to find yourself some meshes. So if you go to a fabric store, you'll find like this, you know, they have all types of fabric. And one of them that I found is like this kind of stuff. And you could buy it in the yard, in a half yard or whatever. And I would recommend just going out and getting yourself a ton of different kinds. Because stuff works really good, you know, for just creating a quick little effect on whatever you're working on. So, if this was a t-shirt or something, like a real t-shirt, I would say to like spray this down, you know, and that way it'll stick onto the shirt. That's always a good way to avoid getting a ton of overspray. But really you just want it to stay in place and not move, and you want to kind of hold it down as best as you can, and you're just going to spray over the whole thing. And so you can see I moved quickly. I don't want to go over the same areas that I already went over. Make sure when you hit it good and you hit it thick. Because if you go over it and if you hit it at a different angle, then the overspray will go at a different way. So you want to watch that and just keep it from moving. And bam, there you go. You have your little filigree in the back and stuff. And then again, we're just going to add an outline around this just like we normally would. Bam, easy. And then right where you take off your heart just like you would on a normal design, and whoa. Yeah. There you go. And now we're gonna take our other texture, and I'm just gonna use this stuff, which I'm not sure where I found this, to be quite honest with you. I've had it for quite a while. But I believe it came in like a packaging or something of some sort. And it's just like some weird little material that has this like crosshatch pattern. It looks like you could probably find it at a hardware store or something. But again, you just want to take some of this, just a little mist of glue, get it into place, and spray over. Again, when you're doing this part, you want to be careful not to go over into the blue area. You kind of do the same way as if you were filling it, kind of go around the edge, give yourself an area to work around, and then fill it in, right? So. And there you go, blam. Go. That's just a quick and easy way to give your designs a different look. You know, so you could have one that's just shaded in normally and with your normal background, and then you could offer one, you know, that has a crazy background and that has filler in the inside of the heart. And it's just a quick way of, you know, making those designs different but the same, but not, you know, and mixing them up and just creating new and different ideas off of the same stuff that you already been using. So from here, you just add your names, obviously, and bam, you're good to go. So, you know, as always, thanks for watching. Start it. 4. Yeah, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Later.